Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and if you're anything like me, a busy mom constantly searching for fun, safe, and creative ways to keep your kids entertained, you're going to want to hear about this. Today, I'm sharing one of those happy little finds that turned a simple beauty experiment into pure imagination fuel: the Jim&Gloria Dustless Hair Chalk Makeup Kit. Priced at just $12, this colorful little set has quietly become a staple in our home for celebrations, costume prep, and even just because it's Friday kind of fun. As a parent, I'm always cautious about what goes on my child's hair and skin. Mess, stains, and harsh chemicals are a hard no. But this kit surprised me from the moment we unboxed it. It's not just about changing hair color, it's about giving kids the thrill of transformation without the stress that usually comes with it. Let me tell you, it's been a total game changer in our house, and now I'm excited to dive into why. Okay, mamas, let me tell you about this super fun hair chalk kit we've been playing with: Jim&Gloria's Dustless Hair Chalk Makeup Kit. We picked it up for my 10-year-old ahead of a school talent show. And honestly, I was amazed at how easy and vibrant it was. The colors? Oh my gosh, so bright and bold, like rainbow magic. We tried a few different shades on her light brown hair, and they really popped. I was nervous it would feel chalky or dry. But this formula is different. It's almost like coloring with creamy pastels. It goes on smoothly, and she didn't complain about any itching, tugging, or that gross sticky feeling some temporary dyes leave behind. Even better, no dust everywhere. I was bracing for a mess on her clothes, the bathroom sink, the floor, but it stayed surprisingly clean. As a mom, I appreciate anything that brings joy without trashing the house. Now, where this kit really shines is for special occasions or creative play. We used it for her Halloween costume, a unicorn transformation complete with glitter and bold pink and purple streaks, and it was a total hit. It's also fantastic for sleepovers, birthday party activities, or just a fun tween salon day at home. We turned our kitchen table into a makeshift hair studio, played music, and let her and her cousin go wild with color. It's the kind of activity that keeps kids entertained for hours and sparks real creativity. The kit comes with a good variety of colors, enough to mix, layer, and experiment. I love that it's washable, too. After our little salon spa night, we hopped in the shower and poof, every trace was gone. Zero staining, no weird residue. It's the perfect low commitment way to let kids explore self-expression through fashion and color without any long-term changes. One thing I didn't expect: how much my daughter loved using it by herself. I was hovering at first, worried she'd press too hard or get it in her eyes, but the sticks are sturdy and easy for small hands to grip. She followed the instructions on her own, lightly dampening her hair and brushing the chalk through in small sections. There's something empowering for a tween about doing their own makeup or styling, and this felt like a safe step into that world. I also appreciate that it's marketed as a gift for girls and tweens, because honestly, finding non-plastic, creative, and screen-free toys for this age group is tough. This sits in that sweet spot between playful and feel like a grown-up. It's playful enough for a giggly 8-year-old, but trendy enough that a 13-year-old won't roll their eyes at it. Now, let's keep it real. There is one small caveat. If you don't brush it out right away, the color can kind of cake up or feel a little stiff in the hair. We learned that the hard way when she wore it all day and waited until nighttime to wash it. There was a bit more tangle than usual. So now we treat it like a pre-shower activity. Color, play, show off, then wash. It works way better that way. Also, if your child has darker hair, the shades won't show up nearly as well. I've noticed it really works best on light brown to blonde tones. That's not a deal breaker, but it's something to keep in mind so you don't get disappointed expecting electric blue on dark brown hair. And while it washes out completely, I still recommend using it on freshly washed, dry hair for the brightest results and to avoid any color blending you didn't plan for. I've seen a lot of temporary hair products for kids: spray chalks, color rinses, wands, but this one stands out because it feels substantial. The sticks have a good weight to them, and the pigments are rich. They don't crumble when you use them, which is more than I can say for some other brands we've tried. The packaging is cute and sturdy, too. Feels gift ready, which makes it perfect for birthdays, stocking stuffers, or even as a fun just because surprise. My daughter has asked to use it again and again, even though she knows it's just temporary. There's a magic in changing your look for a day, in feeling like a rock star or a mermaid or a fairy princess, something this little kit delivers in spades. All in all, for 12 bucks, absolutely worth it. It's brought us laughter, creativity, and even some sweet mother-daughter bonding time. Yes, I supervised the first few uses, and yes, we have our little routine now. Dampen, brush, style, flaunt, wash. But that's part of the fun. It's not just a toy, it's an experience. And for tweens who are starting to explore identity, fashion, and personal flair, things like this can be a safe, fun, and positive outlet. I'd recommend the Jim&Gloria Dustless Hair Chalk Kit to any parent looking for a creative, mess minimized, washable way to let their daughter play with color. Just keep a brush nearby, plan it around bath time, and get ready for some seriously awesome and temporary looks. If you're ready to brush a little fun into your kids' playtime, don't forget to like this video and follow along. Let's fill our feeds with color and creativity. Hit subscribe and we'll keep the vibrant reviews coming. Because every mom deserves a little less mess and a lot more magic. Let's make playtime pop. Join us.